Understanding variables and their scope in JavaScript. Welcome to this quick tutorial on variables and their scope in JavaScript. Let's start by understanding what variables are. Variables are essentially named storage for data. They can store different data types like strings, numbers, or Boolean values. In JavaScript, you can declare a variable using the var, let, or const keyword. Each one has a different scope and behavior. Var defines a variable globally or locally to an entire function, irrespective of block scope. It can be updated and redeclared within its scope. Let is block scoped, meaning it's only available within the block it's defined in. It can be updated but not redeclared. Const also has block scope, but once assigned, its value cannot be changed or redeclared. It must be initialized at declaration. Understanding variable scope in JavaScript is crucial, as it affects how your code behaves and interacts. It's a key foundation of many coding practices. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.